How to draw the NFL logo. We're going to start off on the left side of our page and draw a straight line up and down. From that line, we're going to draw a curved corner with a line going towards the right a little bit. Then we're going to curve that line downwards and end with a diagonal line. Awesome! Now we're going to move to the right side and make a straight line up and down like we did at the beginning on the left side. And just like the left side, we will curve this corner and make a line going towards the left and then make it curve down and come to a point with the line that we drew before. Awesome job! Now we're going to move above the two lines in the middle and we're going to draw a curved line going downwards towards the right. This curved line will come to a point with the straight line that we drew on the right side earlier. Now we will draw another curved line starting at the top in the middle and then curving down towards the left side that will come to a point with the line that we drew on the left at the very beginning. Now our outline of the NFL logo is all done. Let's move on to the inside. For the bottom portion of the logo, we will follow the outline that we drew and we'll draw the same shaped line on the inside. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew, your drawings are looking awesome already! Next, we're going to connect those two lines with a straight line going across. Great job! Now inside of that shape that we just drew, we're going to draw the letters right here. We will start with the N on the left side. Looks awesome! Now we're going to draw the F in the middle. Looks great! Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. Now we're going to draw the L. Then above the letters in the middle, we're going to draw a football right here. For the football, we will draw an almond-like shape. Awesome! Now at both ends of the football, we will draw a small line going towards the middle. Then at the ends of each of those lines, we're going to draw a small line going across, as well as a few more lines in between there. Now we're going to draw 4 stars on either side of the football, right here and right here. I think that the easiest way to draw a star is to start off by drawing the point of a triangle. Then at the end of the line on each side, draw a short line going outwards. From there, draw 2 diagonal lines, one coming downwards and in on each side. Then draw a diagonal line going downwards on each side, matching the same line that you drew at the first triangle in the beginning. Then finish off drawing your star by drawing an upside down V-like shape that connects those 2 points at the bottom. Great job to the start of drawing your stars. Make sure you draw 4 on the left and right side of the football. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome. I can't wait to see, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. If you would like to see our drawing colored in, then make sure to stick around until the very end. Also, if this video helped you out and helped you to draw the NFL logo, then make sure to give it a big like below. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.